Hey guys, how's it going? Okay, so let's do the recap. Let's see, today is the 24th, Wednesday, and let me pull up my gap scanner. My normal routine, I come up, I run the gap scanner at 6:15 a.m. And it was looking similar to this. So I was watching CTIB, HHT, HTZ IBIO, CHNR, KBSF, and I believe PLUG as well. So yeah, let's go over that. Here, let me first pull up PLUG because that looked interesting. Let's see how it did today. Okay, so I mean, definitely made a move, but it was a choppy move for sure. Okay, so anyways, yeah, so let's go over my trades today. I was up. Let me move this over. 101. To be honest, I overtraded today. I mean, just overtraded a lot today just because the market was choppy, a lot of fake outs, getting out and getting back in. So yeah, I think with commissions, I'm probably down, to be honest, like 70, $80. But nonetheless, it's all good. So I mean, I also traded, like I said, a lot today, so I don't want to go over each and every single trade. So I'll go over kind of like, just each stock, kind of like what I was thinking. So one of them was SINT, right? So let me show you SINT real quick. SINT, it didn't do a red to green move, but as you can see, um, there were a couple of pivot points that you could have saw in pre-market, like 164 and 169. So from there, I think I caught some of the moves. So initially, if I show you my initial trades, I mean, I was just losing, right? Just losing out the gates, a lot of fake outs. And then in the mid session, I was coming back up slowly. And then towards the end, that's when I, came back up and, was green on my trades on P&L, not net, but on my P&L. So yeah, SIT, there was a lot of fake outs, like a lot of these upper wicks, like breaking high of day, then coming back down, breaking high of day and coming back down, just a lot of wicks. So it's just very tough to trade. But as you can see later on today, I mean, like if I was around, I would have took this trade around here for the break of this VWAP around this area. So, and again, it would have faked me out twice because I would have been getting in around this area, it would have faked me out. And it came back up, and eventually in the second try, I would have got it, right? So again, today was a lot of fake outs. This whole week was like that. But later on in the day, I mean, look at this. This is just went crazy. So, and HTZ, right? HTZ was the other one. HTZ made some money on it. That's one I think saved me today. So HTZ, I got it around like 149, I think. Let's see, around for the break of the VWAP, which was around this area right here. So I got in and I sold some on the way up, and I added, around this area and sold some. As you can tell, I mean, this had crazy volume today. Even right now, look at that. This broke VWAP again. I mean, this might have another run up. Who knows, right? I mean, HTZ is trading at 209 million volumes of. That's insane. That's insane. So, yeah, HTZ, SINT, and INO was the other one. I took a stab at it, but I wasn't successful because of like the fake out. Over here, I got in, but I didn't sell it thinking it was going to go higher and remain on the VWAP, but that didn't happen, so I got out. But eventually came back up and look at that ride. So that's what I'm saying, right? There's just a lot of fake outs today. I think this whole week's going to be like this, so be careful, guys. And then the other one I traded today was JAKK. JAKK, I took a trade, I think, for the break of 92 cents. No, not 92 cents, actually. 121, which is around. So I got in for the break of this consolidation part and sold some on the way up. Yeah. So again, today was just like fighting, just working really hard just to make something. So even then, hopefully this week, it's not as choppy as the beginning of the week. So hopefully the ending is not that bad. Um, so yeah, guys, subscribe to my channel and watch these recaps. Hopefully you can get some value out of it, and make sure you like the video so that tells me you're getting value out of it, and also subscribe too, so that helps out the YouTube algorithm as well. Let me look back at HTZ real quick. That was trying to break out, I think, which is crazy, man. I just don't understand. 209 million. Yeah, see, so there's more fake breakouts, towards the end of the day. Even though it broke VWAP, but it broke downwards afterwards. So this could be a bull trap. I don't know, but I'm not trading. I'm stepping away. All right, guys. See you guys tomorrow.